this video, we're going to show you how to transfer data from one application to another. For example, we're going to be taking the title, the first name, the middle initial, and the last name from our Excel spreadsheet and putting them into our RoboForm. So in Foxtrot, we're going to go over to our Project tab. And in the same way we create a variable here, we can create a variable by going into our Data tab and going down to our Create Variable action. Now in the Create Variable action, we're just going to make our name correspond to whatever the data is that we're going to be pulling from the Excel form. And like always, we add our note to the bottom so our scripter knows exactly what this action entails. So we're going to create this variable, and we're going to put the information in this variable, do a send value to our RoboForm. So as you can see here, our variable has been created. We'll come down here and we'll target the text that will go in that variable, and we will save it to our corresponding variable where the text will go. And as always, we'll add our note so that our scripter knows what this action entails. Now we have our value saved in Foxtrot, so we'll target where the title value will go in RoboForm. We will do a send value action, and then we'll go down to our expression builder and select the corresponding variable to send the value to RoboForm. We're going to choose the bypass keyboard and the overwrite feature for our data. Now we're going to do the exact same steps for our first name and for our middle initial and for the last name, targeting each corresponding field to send to in RoboForm. Now that we have all these steps constructed, we're going to be able to go to our Run Center and hit play and watch Foxtrot go through the actions. At the very end of our script, we're going to add a delete variable and select every single one of them and hit OK. So at the end of our script, we will clear all of our variables from our tasks. Okay, so we're going to go back to Foxtrot and we'll click play, and we will watch the actions pull the values from Excel and input them into our application. And then when it reaches the end, it will delete all of the variables that are in our script, and our script will be complete. Note the reset button on the bottom of our web application. We'll take our selector and target the reset button and choose a click action so Foxtrot will automatically reset that form. We'll also choose the bypass mouse for a faster click. Now we're going to go through and watch Foxtrot repopulate those fields with the added test text. Now Foxtrot will go through and recreate all of the same variables and send all of that data to those fields. We'll slow the speed down for you just so you can see it happen a little bit slower. And that's it for transferring data. Thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more videos.